Hey everyone, Codex here. So today what we're gonna do is take a look at Elrond's native token, MultiversX, and we'll be discussing the recent sell-off we've been experiencing. A few things have come to play in the past 2 weeks, and so I'd like to go over that and discuss what I think will happen next. So if you guys like the content, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel of course, and join us to the Telegram channel, to which you'll find a link down below. So in the past few days, Elrond has been losing its steam and a sell-off began, pushing us about 24% down. This correction right here might not seem like a lot at first, but we have to keep it real and admit that a 24% move to the downside in less than 2 weeks is a bit brutal. The downside move happened for two main reasons. The first one being Bitcoin's recent correction. Now, BTC has also been losing its momentum for quite some time, and we've also noticed that the entire crypto market cap wasn't moving at all. All that has been happening is money rotating from one ecosystem or category to another so far, and so it's quite normal for altcoins to follow a similar pattern as Bitcoin and drop quite a bit in valuation. We surely know that if Bitcoin isn't leading the race, it's hard for alts to sustain an uptrend unless there is a distinct catalyst, and right now there isn't such a thing with Elrond. The second reason for our downside move is the X Portal app going live. Now, to be quick about this, the X Portal app is pretty much the new Maya app. We know that Elrond rebranded in November of last year, and they are migrating their users from one place to another, one could say. And so the recent launch offered a getaway for some investors to exit their positions, pushing prices further down. These are the main reasons that have led to the move from $54 all the way down to $41. Now, at the time of this recording, Elrond managed to bounce back up from the support, which we know is our high volume node and interest level. In other words, it's the level with quite the highest level of bidding. This support has been our savior since the summer of last year. We held it here when we first flipped the resistance. We also held it here for some time before slipping below it, and we also bounced off it in the summer of last year amid the massive crash. And so we've already spent quite some time in this range, and the past year has shown us that $42 is the strongest level we have, at least for the time being, and therefore I'd say that we are keen to spend at least a few days in that range again. I honestly think that investing in this area overall is the riskiest. I'm not saying you won't make money by any means, but the past 8 months have shown a concise and clear pattern. Whether you shorted or longed here, you would have ended up getting shopped, and most traders in the sideways range were simply exit liquidity, trying to be positioned early and taking a whole lot of risk in an area that history has shown to not be reliable comes with a lot of pain. This is one of the main reasons making me question whether it's the right time to buy Elrond. It's definitely undervalued, I'm not gonna deny that, and if you're looking at it from a long-term perspective, this is surely a very low price to enter at, but if you want to trade in your way up and down, the story is completely different, and therefore I haven't bought. Now, if we take a look at the Phoenix Ascending indicator on the daily time frame, we can see that the blue LSMA and red RSI have just flipped below the mid yellow line, indicating a shift in the trend and a rotation from heavy buys into heavy sell-offs. Now, the longer both lines remain down here, the lower the price will go, and the worse this downtrend will get, of course. And in my opinion, unless we somehow manage to flip this level of 50 again very soon, the next weeks are going to be a pain in the ass. I haven't changed my mind at all. I still think that we will spend the second half of this year, the first half of this year, the second quarter too, in this range. And I also think that we will revisit this resistance at some point. But for the time being, there is surely a sell-off, and if Bitcoin can't collect its strength again, Elrond's performance will keep getting deteriorated. So that was my opinion, everyone, on the price, and specifically on this area that we've been stuck at for a very long time now. The next few weeks will be shaky again, in my opinion, and we'll see how this unfolds. Make sure to comment down below your opinion on Elrond and let me know if you think the price will go higher or lower in the next weeks. Also, if you want to store your coins in a decentralized hardware wallet completely safely, make sure to check out Decent. You can either get a biometric hardware wallet or even the Ethereum card from their website. I'll leave a link down below in the comment section. Have a nice day and bye.